Today I did a quick and simple matte makeup look that is great for the summer. I primed my face with a J1 Red Jelly Pack. It has a sticky consistency, but I like how it's been working for me so far. For foundation, I use the Estée Lauder Double Wear foundation, which I have been using for years, and it's great for the summer. After foundation, I put on Sacha Buttercup on my face. I did not conceal or highlight because I wanted to keep everything light. I bronzed with the Fenty Beauty bronzer that I've been using a lot lately. And I use the black opal face powder all over my face just to keep everything matte. For brows, I use my Mented brow pencil that I've been using for everything. For my eyes today, I'm using the Mented eyeshadow palette that I love. I'll list the colors that I use in the description box. So here I already did my eyeliner, my waterline with the black opal eyeliner pencil that I've been using a lot. And I'm just putting some dark eyeshadow on it. to keep it from smudging. I also add a little bit of a matte eyeshadow on my brow bone so it's not a shiny area on my face. I use the Black Radiance liquid eyeliner, and for blush I'm using Mented blush. With the black opal lip pencil, and I went over it with the Mented blood orange liquid lipstick. And last but not least, I used the black opal mascara. I hope you liked this quick and simple matte makeup look. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.